Hi friends, this is a third video for you can say Docker. In first video we learned how to create a registry. In a second video we will push the image on our registry, and in a third video we will means create a container from our registry and run our app. So for that let's create a VM first. Just select your resource group and then give a name to your VM, my VM for Docker, and this availability option I'm not interested there, and then go to password, and here we will say use my admin, and password you can give any password. And here okay, and we need to use port as well. Now go to disk. You don't need to change anything. Go to networking, and here we need to give IP address. Okay, public IP address. Then go to review and create. And then create. Now to configure this we will follow this link, docs.docker.com engine install Ubuntu, and we will run these commands first, this and this, to configure Docker on our VM. I already copied these here, so that means I can avoid a special character if any. Okay, then let's check this. This okay, meanwhile let me prepare, or you can say check our container registry. So here let's go there, container registry. And we need to log into our registry. Setting access keys. Yes, we need to log in here with the help of this credential. Let's go to this, and then first we need to connect with our VM with the help of serial console. Using our username and password. So let me check my username, my admin. Okay. And here we will use a password let's run these commands to configure. Let me copy, meanwhile it's doing, let me copy for next, let me copy this next command and then type here clear and run our next command. Yes. Now we need to log into our registry so that we can let me copy these in a notepad for safety purpose. This is our server and this is our user name. Okay, and this is our password. We require these three things, and we require one more thing there, which is our image name. Let's go there, let's go there, let's copy this. So we have everything which we require to run our app. Okay, let's sudo docker login, and for login you require this server name of your registry, and then username is there. Okay, then password, you can use this password. Okay, login successful. Now we need to run this command, sudo docker run daemon and name is my first app. You can give any name, first app, and here port 80, and then you need to give your image name. Then run this. Now show downloading is done. Let's check this. Sudo docker is running on a VM or not? Yes. So it's running. Let's go to our VM and check. Yes. Go to overview, copy this, and now paste here. Now you are able to see your app is running. Thank you very much guys.